to do. There's a huge list, but I've decided that for tonight, what I would like to accomplish is to pull down this entire ceiling here behind me. And there's two reasons for this. First, I just want to get demolition over with. I keep coming into it and I just want it to be done. Secondly, I know from previous demolition experience that really the time that it takes to clean up is way more than it takes to pull this down. So it'll be one of those things that I do that gives me some kind of instant gratification, or at least like shorter gratification than say drywalling, which took 10 days. This, I think I can have down in like an hour and then probably another hour to clean. So I'm really excited for what that's going to look like. And I think part of my motivation is that putting that window in, I had to start taking down part of the wall because we had to get up inside to put the headers in for the window. And so I think, you know, what I can see up there is that I really like what it's gonna look like. I get a little glimpse of that. And then also, I would like to be able to finally gyprock downstairs and install drywall downstairs. And I don't think there's any point to doing that until I've got everything out that is gonna be out, so that I can just start putting things in all at the same time. So that's what I'm doing this evening, and I can't wait to see what it looks like. So step one is I'm going to cover everything in plastic so that I don't have as much cleanup to do. Just a little Advil for the little headache. I went home for a couple of days and I had a bath. I went surfing, slept in my bed 2 nights. It was amazing. And I rested. I think I got all my splinters out. It was really good to be home. I did laundry for about an entire day. And now I'm back to the work site for another week, and I have a bit of a headache. It's okay. A little Advil. I'm gonna get through this. I think right now my biggest challenge, apart from time, because I have to go back to work next week, is energy. Just keeping it up, keeping it going. Somebody asked me yesterday, like, how far along am I in this? And I estimated I'm about 50%. So it's been 6.5, 7 weeks, and I've gotten a lot done, but I think I have another 6.5 to 7 weeks left to go. But I'm giving myself until November 1st. So here I go. All right.
most chewed that one.
Joyous Christmas. That's neat.
Yeah. Oh.
I found an old box of matches.
Jeez. Oh yeah. That's a good thing to put up in the ceiling, isn't it?
I'll show you. Look at these ceilings. So this is the upstairs little half room. This is the ceiling now in the kitchen. It looks like this. So those boards are actually coming down except for a little bit over here in this section where I'm gonna have like a little reading nook loft. But up here, oh, how do I point? Up here, all this stuff, which tonight I'm gonna tear out because I'm tearing out these cupboards here. These two cupboards are coming out tonight so that I can tear out this remaining piece of ceiling mess. And I'm gonna replace this with shelves, put the new window in, and that's pretty much the extent of my kitchen makeover. And also removing this floor. But that's a little later. I'm giving myself 2 more months. So this is officially halfway through the River House renovation, you guys. This is the halfway point right here. So this is kind of the last demo, this room here. So these shelves and then the floor, and then it's just building, baby. It's just refinishing. It's finishing touches from here on out. I'm also kind of at the top end of my budget now. So I've bought a lot of new materials and it's all going in, and then it's just a whole lot of work to get her finished. This is like my favorite song right now. I don't know if I'm allowed to play this on YouTube, but anyway, I was made to go against the grain.